Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update to Google Chrome, a new version actually. If you go to your Google Chrome browser, go into the upper right three dots and go into Help and About Google Chrome. You are now at Chrome 151.0.7922.72. This is as of today, July 30th. And, well, there's a few improvements in the way it works. First of all, there's more Gemini integration with AI on using the browser. Of course, you have noticed that the Ask Gemini button is now permanent in the title bar here. And, of course, the way that the browser behaves also uses Gemini a lot more. There is also improvements to the PDF files and the way to edit them, even sign documents. You have options of pens and it gives you the ability to write or even do a signature and then save the PDF. So there's a lot of little improvements like that within the browser. What is the most amazing of the browser, of course, is because there's a new version now, is the amount of fixes. Now, it's not the biggest. We've seen some bigger amounts in some other updates for Chrome lately, but still, there's 370. If we look at the Chrome blog, here we go. You could see that there's a Chrome for stable channel update for desktop. So there's 370 security fixes, a lot of critical in there, and that's a lot of stuff to fix. So make sure that you update at least for the security flaws that it fixes, because that's a really high number of fixes, and the critical ones are particularly important to make sure that you fix as fast as possible to stay safe when you're on the web. So yep, new version of Chrome and new security updates, a lot of them that are available now. Of course, that means new versions and, of course, a lot of security updates coming up for Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, all the Chromium-based browsers in the next hours and days. So do check the updates for your browsers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.